Okay. Another question upon that one, though, would be Barbara Hubbard Marks is talking about the December 21st, 2012 cycle and how it's going to end. Is there anything that you would say for me personally that I could do to help create more of what we're going to be seeing come to us this year?
Do you understand that you actually never change the world you're on? Would you like me to explain that?
I would like you to explain that.
All right. Understand that your demarcation line of 2012 is like the crossing of a threshold of collective consciousness. It's like the leading edge of the collective consciousness wave, or what you might call the bow shock. In the same way that one of your airplanes might cross the sound barrier and it creates a boom, the idea of this crossing of the threshold is you crossing from a reality that was heretofore a little bit more negative than positive into a reality that's a little bit more positive than negative. You're crossing that threshold, you're tipping the scale, and from that point forward, you can accelerate. But the point is that you never actually change the world you're on. You change the vibration of your own being. And when you change your own vibration, you shift to another already existing parallel Earth that's simply more representative and more reflective of the vibration you have changed to. Each and every one of you right now are constantly shifting from parallel reality to parallel reality billions of times per second. So fast you don't even know you're doing it, but you're doing it. And the idea thus then is that as you change your frequency, as you guide your frequency in a certain direction, you thus then create a different series, a different branch of parallel realities that you shift to. So when you change yourself, you shift to a parallel reality that's reflective of that change. But you never change the world you were on. That world still exists, and it's still populated by all the individuals who wish to stay at that particular vibratory frequency, and you never change them. You change yourself and shift to a world already populated by versions of them, or not, that are already more representative and more reflective of the vibrational change you made within yourself. Does that make sense?
Absolutely.
Therefore, that's what 2012 is all about. It's the splitting prism. It's like the train station where when the trains are in the station, all the tracks are side by side and it's easy to jump from train to train. But after they leave the station, which they have now done, the tracks start to diverge. And if you're not on the train you wish to be on, it's going to be harder to get on that train because the track is going away from you. So we would suggest you be on the train you prefer to be on now. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Does that help?
It helps a lot. Thank you, Bashar.
Thank you.